Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I make my protein coffee to give me a great start in the morning. Starting off, I'm using 1UP Nutrition's banana caramel protein powder. I have a sample pack right here, and I'm going to pour this into my mug. Now once I have that in my mug, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of water right here. And you want to add a little bit of water and get a spoon or a knife and kind of whip it up just to give it a start. This is going to help the protein powder start to kind of smooth and get nice and whipped. If you don't do this, your protein coffee will be very chunky. Right here I'm using Purity Coffee's organic coffee beans. I grinded them and I'm putting them in my reusable Keurig coffee filter. Then I'm going to go ahead and brew some fresh coffee right over that protein powder. And then while it's brewing, I'm going to go ahead and whip it a little bit more. And then once it's brewing, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy.